Welcome. If you're looking to organize your Gmail inbox so that unread emails appear right at the top, you've come to the right place. Keeping unread messages front and center helps you stay on top of important emails without missing a beat. Today, I'll guide you through the simple, updated steps to set your Gmail inbox to show unread emails first. First, open the Gmail app on your phone or tablet. Once you're inside, look for the menu icon, which looks like three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. It's usually located in the top left corner of your screen. Tap on that to open the side menu. Next, scroll down through the menu options until you find Settings. Tap on it to access your Gmail settings. Here, you'll see a list of all the email accounts you have connected to the app. Select the email account for which you want to change the inbox view. After selecting your account, you'll see various settings related to that specific email. Look for the option labeled Inbox Type and tap on it. This is where you can customize how your emails are displayed. Among the different inbox types, you'll find one called Unread First. Tap on this option to activate it. What this does is rearrange your inbox so that all unread emails appear at the top, followed by your read emails below. This setup makes it much easier to focus on new messages without scrolling through already read ones. Once you've selected Unread First, simply go back to your inbox and you'll notice the change immediately. Your unread emails will now be prioritized at the top, making your email management more efficient and less stressful. That's all there is to it. With just a few taps, you've customized your Gmail inbox to highlight unread emails first. This small tweak can make a big difference in how you handle your daily email flow. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly organized Gmail inbox.